Hello, this is Muriel, and today we are going to set up the chart of accounts for Libs Cleaning Company, LML. Since the company has been running for less than a year and it has never used QuickBooks before, we have an option to set up the chart of accounts so that we can have it customized and the bookkeepers, the accountant, or the owner can easily access accounts because they are the one who set it up. They can name it depending on the type of account. So on our sample company, we are going to use QuickBooks online trial account. And for Libs company, we have several type of accounts that we can edit. And to get it started, on the left corner of QuickBooks, click Accounting, and you will see Chart of Accounts. You will see different type of accounts: bank, assets, equity, income, expenses, and we need to be really careful and on how to select on selecting the type of accounts that we are going to edit. So first, on our sample company, this is a type of account, cash in bank. So since on this on the chart of account there are two accounts named cash and cash on hand, and it under the type of bank, cash on hand. So we have an option to edit, delete, and run a report on this one. We're going to edit cash on hand. The good thing about QuickBooks, it gives you the details on what type of account you are editing. So the category type is under bank, and there are details here. We will edit it as cash in bank. Then hit save and close. Second would be Libs Clean Capital. This is the capital of the owner, or the money that the owner invested in the business. So we can have it edited under owner capital. Click edit. As you can see here, this is a type of equity account. This is an owner's equity, and we can name it as this is Libs Clean Capital. Says here money you invested in your business for the description. Save and close. And if we are going to the assignments or on our sample company, it says here on June 1st, Libs Clean, the owner invested $10,000 cash in the business. So we have to record this as deposits. And good thing in QuickBooks, we can have it edited, cash in bank. There you go. Libs Clean Capital, owner's equity for $10,000. All right. So next one that we're going to edit is accounts receivable. This is accounts payable. We have to look on this is a type of asset as well. If you don't see one for the accounts payable, we can create a new account. So as you can see here, There is one for accounts receivable, detail type, accounts receivable name, and the good thing, there's also a description on what is an account receivable here in QuickBooks. So we're going to hit save and close, and you will see that account receivable here. We can run edit, delete, and run a report on this account. Next one would be Libs Clean Withdrawals. This is the owner's withdrawals or the money going out of the business. So we can, since this is for the owner, we will choose equity account. And as you can see here, there is a name under owner's pay and personal expenses. So personal expenses are not included in the business. And we have to make sure that we are only entering accounts that are related to the business, and we have to separate the personal transactions versus the business transactions, especially when it comes with banking transactions or when we are reconciling the account. It's really important. So click edit, and equity, owner's equity, we will name it as Libs Clean Withdrawal. Hit save and close, and we'll see that here under the equity. All right. Then the next one would be computer equipment and office equipment. These are assets account. We're going to look at the fixed type of account under fixed asset. So, all right, we can use this one since this is a fixed asset computers, fixed asset. We can have it edit, or we can edit that fixed asset. So we can name it computer equipment. The other one would be office equipment. So these are types of asset that can be used for more than a year, and we are going to choose other fixed asset. Okay, other fixed asset, and edit this one. These are office equipment. There you go, office equipment. All right, so we are going to a different type of account. These are expenses accounts. First one is advertising expense. So in QuickBooks, there are different type of expenses here, as you can see, and we can choose which is the best account that we can have, that we can edit. There's advertising and marketing. So no need to create one, just edit it as advertising expense. Save and close. There is also a type of expense for miscellaneous. That means there's no, these are expenses that do not fall under other category. So you can name it miscellaneous expense. Right, supplies and materials. These are type of expenses that we use when we provide services to our clients. So we will choose a type of expense, and that is, let's choose one. Okay, job supplies. So for supplies and materials, this will track the cost of raw goods and parts used or consumed when producing a product or providing a service. So this is the best match type of expense account. This is for supplies and materials. Alright. Since Lib's Cleaning Company is a type of janitorial services, that means it doesn't sell any other products but services, cleaning services. So we are going to um, edit sales into service fees as the main source of our income. We will edit sales here. Sales is a type of income account. Edit service fees. Okay. So we already have accounts payable, and we're just going to create or edit utilities expense. Try to check first. There you go for the accounts payable. It's already in there. But in case you don't see it, you can always add an account here under new icon. So you can have that one created. And then for utilities, of course, we have to pay expenses like electricity and water bills. So there's already one here in QuickBooks under utilities, expenses, and utilities. Just edit it to utilities expense. All right, so we're all set. We already set up the chart of accounts of Lib's Cleaning Company, and it will be a lot easier for its owners or the bookkeeper and the accountant to locate or to search for an account because it is already customized based on the type of services and the industry they are providing service of. And this will be it for today's video. I'll see you on the next one.